This is BLACKVIEW Tab 12, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can add an event to calendar on this device. So firstly, you will need to go ahead and launch the calendar app itself. Then select the date you would like to create an event on. Then tap at this plus icon to your bottom right, choose an event option from the list, and fill out all the event details such as its name, time frames, time zone, repetitiveness or reoccurrence, participants, location, notifications, description, visibility mode, and well, you can also switch its type from busy to free and vice versa. Then once all the event details were successfully added, you can save the event by tapping at the respective save button to your top right. And here you have it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.